If you have this issue in the camera on your Google Pixel 10 Pro where you do not have zoom values over here above the shutter button, but instead you have UW, W, and T, the reason why is like that is because you have enabled manual lens selection. You can still zoom in and zoom out by pressing and holding your finger, for example, on the selection of lenses like this, and you can slide left and right in order to adjust the zoom like this. Of course, different options, different lenses have different zoom options. For example, over here we can zoom only to up to 1x, and if we use the telephoto camera, then over here we can zoom in all the way to 30x, as you can see over here. And you can still fix that, of course. If you want to, we can tap on the setting icon in the bottom left corner, and over here we can switch in photo settings to Pro in order to enable auto lens selection. And now, as you can see, we have our zoom values. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.